Good morning guys, in front of me is Tecno Pova 5 Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number assigned to this device. So at first open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code which is *#06#. And here you will be able to see IMEI numbers, like both of them. Also, if you are curious about serial number, it is located here as well. Tap on OK to exit, and then you can also find IMEI via settings. So at first reach the settings, then find and select my phone. It's actually at the top of the list. And here, go to more info. Select phone information, and here you can read IMEI. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.